So when an electric fan doesn't work,
such as the blade isn't spinning and the electric fan itself is making a ton of noise,
so the main issues of it can be caused by poor lubrication and the blockages of the vent.
so in order to save time and money, we will show you how to repair an electric fan using simple gadgets and simple processes.
So there are three processes in repairing an electric fan. First is deassembling the fan, second is lubricating the bearings, and third is cleaning the motor and vent.
So these are the equipments needed to repair an electric fan. Rags, lubricant, screwdriver, and brush. But lastly, we need the electric fan itself to repair.
Plug and turn on your fan to check if the blades will rotate. If it moves, then the motor is probably still good. Unhook the blade guard, unscrew the pin to remove the face of the fan. The blade can be removed by turning the stopper counterclockwise. Unscrew the back half of the blade guard to remove it. Washers, stoppers needs to be removed. Find the screw that connects the protection of the vent from the motor. Unscrew the vent to remove it and proceed to the application of oil. You can check the condition of the pin by simply rotating it. If there is a resistance or stickiness, then a lubrication is needed, which will smoothen the rotations. Apply the lubricant oil to the front of the pin as well as its back. Use a rag to catch the droplets of oil escaping. Apply the oil at the portion where the pin and the frame of the motor meets. After putting oil, spread it by spinning the pin while sliding back the oil into its original position. After you clean the bearings, you can assemble it together again, but first you need to clean the motor and vent. The back of the motor is where dust usually sticks and is really hard to clean. Use a small cloth to wipe away any dust and dirt in there. Tidy up the vent also. Use a cloth for cleaning, and if there are tiny spaces with dust, use a compressed air to get the dust out of it. After cleaning the motor and vent, reassemble back the fan, but only after you check to see if the pin rotates when you turn it on. If it spins successfully, then you can reassemble it. Otherwise, you need to clean the motor if it doesn't spin easily. It may need a lot of effort though.